Hi friends, welcome back to today's video. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be trying some lash strips for the first time. Lash clusters, sorry, not lash strips, lash clusters. I'm going to be using the UCoolMe Beauty and Reach in the Flora 049. As you can see, some are missing because actually my sister-in-law is letting me try these because I mentioned to her that I wanted to start trying them now that I'm going back to work. I need something that I'm gonna look put together faster. So she's like, can you try lash clusters? Because that's all she does. So she let me borrow these, the UCoolMe, I can't even pronounce these, but that's the brand. As you can tell, she uses these a lot. But since I don't like this full look, I'm gonna try this UCoolMe, and I'm only gonna do 12s, 10s, and 8s is what we're using. This Bond and Lock, and the little applicators. I also have a small mirror here so that I can look down. If you have seen my previous videos on how to apply false lashes the easiest way, I'll go ahead and link it up here. I still use that technique. The mirror still goes into my eye when I do the application. And I will be having the eyelash curler just so I can curl my lashes before I start. These are my lashes by themselves. They're not that long. They're kind of thin, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to get our glue. And this is what it looks like. It's very, very thin. And from her telling me, she told me not to do my whole lash, just the bottom. So I'm gonna start with just putting it down here. I'm not really pulling it up like if it was mascara. It's just at the base. And now I'm gonna start with these. Like I said, I'm gonna do a 12, 12, 10, 10, and then 8, I think. We'll see. Don't like how that one placed. This one, I want to take it off. I think that looks a little better. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I did a 10, 12, 12, 10. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. 10, a 12, a 12, a 10, 10, 8, 8. I don't know if I like this because this 12 is like super long compared to these. So if I'm looking straight at you, can you guys tell right here that it's super long? I'm not sure. I'm gonna do the other eye and see how I feel. So far they're really comfortable. They're actually pretty thin. This is what they look like at the bottom. The glue is super tacky. So I'm gonna do my other eye and see how I feel about it. So I'll be right back. Trusty tweezers. Do it well. That's how I'm holding the tweezers so I can come up. That's what they're looking like. They don't poke. I don't feel them. I'm gonna come in and tweeze them like together so they can be as close as possible to my lash line. This is what they're looking like underneath. Now I'm going to take the lock side, and looks like this, and I'm just gonna go over by going under and over it, just like that. So there they are. That is what they look like. My sister-in-law did tell me not to wet them for about 24 hours, just let them cure. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do like, that is the bond actually that you're looking, not the bond, the cure thing that looks wet. But yeah, that is what they look like. I think I like them. Like I said, they feel very light, the band. Let me put up the resolution so you guys can see it. This is the under, what it's looking like. I like it. We'll see if they're comfortable, we'll see how long they last. And I'll probably be ordering me a set just because if this is gonna make my life a little bit easier and faster getting out the house, why not? Again, that was the UCoolMe Beauty and Reach Flora 49 Plus. And I did in 10, 12, 12, 10, 8, 8 for my